Thank you, Manajumin TV.
Manazumin TV, thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandu garu. So hi everyone. So this is Suri Reddy Padala. He is a robotic scientist. So you can ask any question to sir right now. Okay. You want to ask any question to sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Want to ask?
Yeah,
The robotics, how we made the robotics?
here we are exhibiting the robots from grade 1 to grade 10 students. Different model robotic kits are there. Okay, so from grade 1 we started with the wooden robots, small wooden type of robots, and then we displayed a kits called plug and play model innovate robotic kits are there. Okay, and we already exhibited. This is for the higher grades from grade 6 to grade 10 students. The agri-tech robots means IoT technologies. We used IoT technologies. In these kits, we used different type of sensors also. So how do you feel about this expo?
Very nice.
Very nice. So you are very feeling happy?
Yes.
Happy. So what you learned from this expo?
In futures we can do this of the better things.
Okay. So in future, if we are conducting and if we are going to conduct the robotics workshop in your school by the collaboration with your school, so you will join
Yes.
and you will ask your friends to join in the workshop. So it would be really helpful for your future also. Okay. Thank you. Any other questions are there?
No, all great.
All
Clear.
clarified? Clear? Thank you.
So you guys want to ask any question to sir?
What is the uses of these AIs?
Yeah, artificial intelligence means in every sector, like medical sector, okay, and astronauts, and making the car manufacturing, everywhere now artificial intelligence will do the work easy. If without artificial intelligence, the humans are doing the work, it will take 1 hour. By using artificial intelligence tools, we can reduce the work to just 1 minute. Okay, it's a shortcut. Artificial intelligence.
What are the benefits of uses in our life AI?
Yeah, the future is completely AI only because each and every field is connected to artificial intelligence. For example, if you are making any YouTube video, okay, or a small movie making videos are there. For this one, if you are using artificial intelligence tools, you can create a better video quality, the quality wise and the voice wise, everything. By using artificial intelligence tools, you will get a proper demonstrated video. Any other questions?
What is use of this all
What is the use of?
AI?
What is the use of AI?
Yeah, as I told you, AI is there in every sector. For example, you guys are having WhatsApp, right? You know about the WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, we are having AI tools. We have seen Meta tools are there now. Meta. So Meta is nothing but AI tools only. So before in the past 5-6 years back, WhatsApp is not like this. To send a file, it was taking long time because the memory, due to memory. But after introducing the artificial intelligence tools in the WhatsApp, now the file is going immediately, even it is 200 MB or 300 MB. This is what the artificial intelligence tools uses. Okay. Any other questions?
You want to ask any question to sir? No, come here, come here. Wait. Ask.
Motor.
Motor. Yeah, motor is nothing but in a robot. If you want to move a wheel, means robot is nothing but we are having the wheels. Okay, the wheel. If you want to move the wheel, rotation will be done by the motor. Without motor, a wheel cannot rotate. So if we are having in a robotic kit, if we are having 2 wheels, then we have to use 2 motors. Those motors are called DC motors. We are having several type of motors, but for the education purpose, we will use only DC motors. Understood? Any other questions? No. So how do you feel about this expo?
Nice.
Nice. So feeling anxiety?
Yes, exactly.
Excited. Oh, that's very good. What about you, Ma? How you feel about this expo?
Very interesting.
What are the interesting topics you felt in this expo? Which robots?
Agricultural.
Agricultural robots. Hands,
Answer.
arm. Ah, okay. Robotic arm. Yeah. And oh, this kit, Innovate kit. Okay. Biomedical project. That one. It will check about the heartbeat, the blood pressure, everything. Okay, and it is an alcoholic detector also. So if you consume alcohol and if you go there, it will detect that you consumed alcohol. And another sensor is also there, a smoke detector sensor. If something firewall will happen here, then immediately the alarm will be loud. Then the people they can escape from the room. You got it? So these all kits belongs to Innovate company.
So this
Okay, they are the
was
partners to our company, and
the
they
electric
sponsored
papers,
this
which,
all robotic kits to
you
us.
can do that electric circuit, like bulb is glow, like that only in the car headlights are there. The connection will be the connection. Example, and many examples are there here. We'll choice full. This as we made. This is the home. Will be called bell. Anyone's call means bell. We can pick it. This open. Circuit. In bell how these are circuit and this is switch. You think switch. You will button means come sound na. Like that only. This is will be fold means only like. Just touch it. First we will take first one. From this all parts we can make another parts and do another building. It's like we can do and this moves front and back. With the help of this we can make many things. It is useful for generation, future, and it is
That's nice. You explained very well. Thank you so much. Your name?
Sheikh Rasima.
My name is Alimala Madhikaran. I am studying in 8th class. This was the water purity. This can help in water purity. How much purity is there? In glass, some chemicals are there or not? Purity is there or not? This was the water not temperature. This level, how atmosphere is there, how to know about this, how purity there. That's this is the motor. From water take and pump will give water from the underground. This was the water temperature. How that temperature is there, very cold or not, very hot. This was the tank pump. We know that sometimes fast come and sometimes slow come. With this, how fast are come, how slow are come, we know. With this all, this sensor takes storage. This to send to this camera.
This is known as moisture testing robotic. It includes all the different types of parts which is used to to build the robotic, used to measure the moisture content in the soil. Farmers didn't know how much moisture content in the crop field to produce certain crop which is suitable that field. Like paddy needs more moisture content and like other fields needs less moisture content. So detect all the moisture content in the paddy in the field. It is useful. It acts as a robot. It doesn't need the human effort and human help. How its work means once we turn it on. By revolving roundly, it can detect the moisture content. This is the sensor which is used to. This is the sensor which is used to detect the moisture content, and it also shows the reading of the moisture. And we are planning to put a display in it, but as it is prototype, we didn't plan anything, and just it shows the working model, and it helps to the farmers very much, and it avoids from the human work and loss of money, all those things. This is the moisture content AI robotic. And this is called IoT biomedical kit. As you all know about health status, and you only check your self body status. So that purpose it is useful, and it is known as blind spectacle object detection. As you know about the blind people, they didn't have any particular access to detect an object in front of them and in beside all those things. They need at present they need help of others to detect some objects, right? So if you keep these spectacles, once please. It detects. This acts as a two eyes of the spectacles, and it detects me because I am in front of that spectacles. so it's showing sound. When I am moving far away, it does not showing sound. Like when I am moving close to him, then it's buzzing, right? So this is the use of the blind spectacles, right? Okay.